Alright, let's go.
All a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets. I fucked around, just broke the bed. Throw it back, look.
Wait, DEA, dig? Wait, is that what you said? DEA, hold on.
DEA, all a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets. I fucked around, just broke the bed. Throw it back, little baby, on God, I don't even want no head. All the way to the morning, I get horny.
Throw it back, baby, on God, I don't even want no head, bro. Throw it back. Fuck, bro. Man, although I'm a virgin, you know what I mean? Although I'm a big virgin, bro. Like, I know the feeling of just pounding the bitch is amazing, bro. Fuck, I need to lose my virginity quick. I'm starting to get jealous of these niggas, bro. Fuck.
When I pop these niggas, this shit real now. On God, I ain't even realize they can put little Brody in a wheelchair. He can still slide. You ain't having pay, y'all niggas still mine. Put 20 on his head, 10 on his feet for trying to kill mine. Let me switch it up. I really be.
What?
You ain't having pay, y'all niggas still mine. Put 20 on his head, 10 on his feet for trying to kill mine.
Put a 20 on his head, 10 on his feet for trying to kill mine. What? Nigga, what? What the fuck?
Let me switch it up, I really be chillin' though. I'm a villain though, the menace. Bitch, don't tell me, little bro.
I'm a villain though, the menace. I'm a villain.
Hey, homie always dick ride on God, he gotta go. Shoulda knew he was gon' switch sides, woulda never called him bro. But this life here come with lessons. I ain't stressing, I'm a blessing. I won't never.
Wait, he said something about dick riding, right?
I'm a villain though, the menace. Bitch, don't tell me, little bro. Yo, big homie always dick ride on God, he gotta go.
Your big homie always dick riding on God, he gotta go. Damn, shit. Little dick riding ending.
I knew he was gon' switch sides, woulda never called him bro. But this life here come with lessons. I ain't stressing.
If I knew he would've switched sides, I would've never called him bro. Oh my God, bro. That's some real shit, bro. Fuck. That's another thing, bro. You gotta find some loyal friends, bro. Fuck. Damn, it's hard out here, bro. You can't trust no bitches. You can't trust no niggas. Who the fuck can you trust but yourself? You know what I mean?
I'm a blessing. I won't never feel good again till I buy everybody a neck. Yeah, whole game. Iced out your BM gonna get piped down. You gotta jump on pussy, boy.
Your BM gonna get piped down, nigga.
Iced out your BM gonna get piped down. You gotta jump on pussy, boy. Blah, spit them right now. DEA, all a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets. I fuck around.
I love that hook, bro. DEA, right? And I'm pretty sure he said dig, like dig, right? All you see is red, boy. Fuck, that's hard.
I just broke the bed. Throw it back, little baby.
Fuck, I just broke the bed, bro. Fuck. That's some Congo shit right there, nigga. Imagine just walk. Bro. Imagine you pounding the shorty, right? In the bed, right? You just beating it in, right? And you break the bed. Nigga, fuck. That's different, nigga. Shit. That's my mission, bro. When I lose my virginity, bro, I'm breaking the whole bed, nigga. Shambles. I'm breaking that motherfucker, bro. Nigga, I'm breaking her spine, and then I'm breaking her bed, bro. Nigga, what the fuck? That's my new mission, bro. When I lose my virginity, that's the only goal. I'm breaking that bitch's spine, and now breaking the bed.
I just broke the bed. Throw it back, little baby, on God, I don't even want no head. All the way to the morning, I get horny when I pop these meds. DEA.
All the way in the morning, I get horny when I pop these meds. Is he talking about a Viagra? Nigga, Enta, don't tell me you be taking Viagras, nigga. Come on, bro. You too young to be taking a Viagra. And I'm probably just reaching, bro. He don't take no fucking Viagra, bro. What the fuck? This thing's 18, bro. There's no way this thing out here taking Viagra pills, you know? So I'm 100% sure he's not.
Dead, all a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets, I fucked around, just broke the bed. You ain't having pay, y'all niggas still lying. 20 on his head, 10 on his feet for trying to kill man. Private number hit my phone, they gon' say they want me gone. Got me nervous as a bitch, little ass, I clutching on these crumbs. Beat me back.
Bro, what? Nigga, what? You see how he casually just says that shit, nigga? You see how he just casually just throws that in there, nigga? Nigga, what?
His head 10 on his feet for trying to Private number hit my phone, they gon' say they want me gone.
Private number gonna hit his phone saying they want him gone, right?
Got me nervous as a bitch, little ass, I clutching on these chrome.
They got this nigga anti-nervous. He's clutching on his chrome. He's clutching on that motherfucker, right? Right?
Me bad when I was down, you better not never hit my phone. I don't give a fuck, I got.
You made me mad when I was down bad. You better never hit my phone. Damn, nigga. Right? Is that what he said? He said you made me. He said you made me mad, right?
You better not never hit my phone. On these crumbs, beat me bad when I was down. You better not never hit my phone. I don't give a fuck. I gotta kill 10 folks. I bet I make it home. My future. I don't give a fuck if I gotta kill 10 folks. I gotta make it home. God damn, bro. Fuck. Nervous as a bitch, little ass, I clutching on these crumbs. Beat me bad when I was down. You better not never hit my phone. I don't give a fuck. I gotta kill 10 folks. I bet I make it home. My future brighter than a bitch. My kid blacker than some shit. I be spitting.
My future brighter than a bitch. You're not wrong, bro. Anti really has a potential to actually like be one of the greats. You know, and I believe that's to the fucking core. And I'm not. And you know, he has his flaws, just like all of us. You know. But he has potential. Nigga. He has potential.
Niggas fly ever since I called for my first sheet. Niggas trying to chase some cop cause they know that the game be lit. Keep my name up out your mouth before your head be in a DEA. All a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets. I fucked around, just broke the bed. Throw it back, little baby, on God, I don't even want no head. All the way to the morning, I get horny when I park these nets. DEA, all a nigga see is red. Eat up all these Percocets. I fucked around, just broke the bed.
Bro, do you hear the little violin in the background, bro? Fuck, that's hard.
He ain't having pay, y'all niggas still lying. Put a 20 on his head, 10 on his feet for trying to kill my ass.
Nigga, you hear the little dun dun, nigga. That shit hard as fuck, nigga. I love when a producer incorporates new like instruments into like a beat, bro. That shit just sounds so fucking hard, bro. Yeah. This is anti DEA, bro. This shit was hard as fuck, bro. Shit.